pilot was able to get that plane there, and all four of them were able to get themselves out of the helicopter with assistance from the police and the fire department.
Sir, is that the one thing you guys as a pilot performed as best a controlled landing as you possibly could?
Absolutely, you can. Can't wait to meet this gentleman, shake his hand for getting this